Hello everyone, now it's time to design this hero section. So let's do it. First I go to the WordPress dashboard. Here I hover over this new and click on page. This is a shortcut to create a new page, and here I will add title as hero 2. Then I click on this edit with Elementor button. Okay, now here we have the Elementor page, and now click on this page setting, and here change page layout to Elementor canvas. Okay, now we have clean canvas, and from here first we have to create this background. To create this background we have to add the container. So click here and click flex box and click this container. Then let's see the width. The width is 1440. The height is 700. So let's add those details. Actually for the width I will add full width. Then for min height I will add 700 like this. Now what I have to do is add the background. To do that I click on the style and click classic, and here we have to add the image. So let's go here, and now I select the BG. Then I just click on export, and let's make it 1.5, and let's make it JPG. Then click on export BG. Okay, now we go to tinypng.com and click here. Then just drag and drop the image. It has 707 kilobyte. Now it's only have 120 kilobyte. Now I just press JPG and it's downloaded, and then go here, click on this image and just drag and drop it like this. Okay, then we can add all text. So let's add all text like hero to BG. Actually this all text used for SEO purpose, or if something happened to this image or this image will not load, this ALT text will show on the website. So I will click on select, and then let's change the setting. So image resolutions will be full, position will be center, then attachment is default, repeat no repeat, display size cover like this. Okay, now let's see the design. It will look like this, and now what we have to do is add this menu. Before we add the menu we will have to add margin, because if we click on the frame on Figma, and here it's a 140 as the horizontal padding. So let's add it. Go here, go to advanced, and in margin let's make it, actually it's not margin, it's padding. So right padding will be 140 and the left padding also will be 140. Okay, now let's add this logo. So the logo is my finance. I just click on it, and here is the details. Let's go to the Elementor and click here, then just drag and drop a headline, and let's check the typography. So click on the text, and typography is Georgia regular 45, and the fill color is black. So let's make those details. Click on the headline, click style, then go to typography. The font is Georgia, GEOR. Here we have Georgia. Then size is 45, and the width is, let's see the width again. Width is regular. Let's make width as normal. Okay, now the text color is black, and now let's copy this text like this, then come here, then go to content, paste that text like this, and it will change. If it not change, just press enter and remove the enter. It will change like this. Then what we have to do is we have to add top heading as 25. Before we add it, let's create the menu and the contact us button. Then we can add the top padding and other stuff. So now we have to create the menu. So click here and search menu, and let's get the WordPress menu, put it like this. Okay, now what we have to do is click on edit it, and here we have the hero 1 menu, and we have to create a menu for this my finance. So let's do it. First I click on menu screen, and it's redirect to the menu screen, and here I click on create new menu. So let's name this as hero 2 menu, and then I click on create menu. Okay, now I select here the hero 2 menu and click on select. Then here we can add the links. First, as the home page, we have to use this hero 2 page. So to do that, I have to publish this. I just click on publish, and now I can go to the menu, and we will have to refresh this. Just refresh the page, and here we have hero 2. Just click on it and add to menu. Then I will click here and change the navigation label to home. Okay, now we have to add custom link. So as the URL, I will set hashtag, and then let's see the menu item. First menu item is service. Copy it, paste it, click on add to menu. Then let's check the second one, it's location. Paste it, hashtag to menu. Then blog, put it, add the hashtag to URL and click on add to menu. Then about task of it, date, add hashtag, click on add to menu. Okay, our menu is completed, and you will see here is a contact us button. So this is a separate button, and we will create it using button element, and it will not include inside this menu. So now I click on save menu and go here. Then I have to refresh the hero 2 page. Okay, now I click on the menu, and in content I will set the menu as hero 2 menu. Okay, it appeared like this. Then what we have to do is add the style. First I will go to advanced and add margin and padding as 0. Then let's get the details. First we have typography as Helvetica 16 regular. So let's add those details. Click style, and on typography font family will be Helvetica. I think it's Helvetica, and the size is 16. Then width is regular. Regular mean normal in Elementor. Okay, now transform will be uppercase. Okay, all good. Then let's check the in between size. The in between size is 25. To check the in between size, in Mac you can select the element and press Alt and hover over the next item like this. In Windows you can do the same. When you press the Alt, you can see the spacing or see the padding that it has. Okay, now I go to here. Then let's make the space between as 25. Alright, now I go to hover. In hover should change the color, so the color is black and the font is bold. So let's try to make it. In hover the color is not white, color is black. Pointer, we don't need the pointer, so let's remove it. The color is black, and also on the normal we have to make the color as black, and on hover now we have a issue because here we don't have a way to bold this font while it hovering. So we can only do it from here, like adding here, but when we do it, it affects the font. So to fix it, we have to add custom CSS. So let's do it after we complete this design because it's bit tricky, and let's continue the design the rest of the website. Okay, now what we have to do is add this to horizontal line or single line. To do that, I will click here and add the container like this. Then let's go to container. I will set the content width to full width like this. Then on advanced, let's remove the margin and padding. Then I will just put them inside this container. Okay, now it's on inside the container, and click on the container, go to layout and click on direction as row horizontal like this, and it's look pretty good. Then we have to add the button here. To add the button, click here, then search button. Okay, here we have lot of buttons, but we only need the simple button like this. Just put it like here, not the outside of the container, put it inside the not. Yeah, we can add it from here like this. Okay, now we have to change the style of this button. So let's find out the current style. So click on the button, and here we have corner radius as 60. Let's make it 60, and the color is black. So let's make them first, and here I go to style, and the border radius make it as 60, and the color is black. Here the color is black. And what is the text? The text is contact us. Just copy it and come here and go to content, and here click here to contact us, and go to style. In style we can change the typography. So let's see the typography. Typography is Helvetica regular 16. So let's make it. Here font family is Helvetica 16 normal, and it's on uppercase. Let's make it transform uppercase. Ta-da! Now what we have to do is add padding. So just click on this text and press Alt. When you press Alt, you can see top and bottom padding as 16 and left and right padding as 37. So let's do it. Go to advanced. On advanced, remove the margin and top as 16. No, not here. Sorry, not here. Just make it as it is. I just go to style. Actually, let's make it transform uppercase, and it's here. Yeah, it's here. So top padding is 16 and right padding is also 60. No. Right padding is 37. 37, bottom 16, 37 as the left. Okay, now we have perfect button, and let's change the hover details. On the normal, change to white, and on hover let's change text color to black and color to white like this. See, yes, looks good. And now what we have to do is add the padding. So let's check the padding. Here select all of those stuff, then let's see the padding. It's 25. So let's add top padding or top margin as 25. Let's select the container first, and then here let's add top margin as 25. Alright, now what we can do is we can go to layout, and here we can set align item center and make all of them as center. Okay, now in the next lesson let's add the hover and active text as bold. So to do that we will have to use CSS, and it's pretty easy. Let's do that.